I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Data Warehousing and Mining. Now today's session is Goals of Data Mining and Data Warehousing. These are the topics which I have covered in this session. What is data mining? Data mining goals. What is data warehouse? Data warehouse goals. What is data mining? Data mining is the mining or discovery of new information in terms of patterns or rules from vast amounts of data. So to be useful, data mining must be carried out efficiently on large files and databases. Simply you can say it is finding the hidden information, as I have already discussed this data mining topic in my previous sessions. So just go through that video. Here it is just for the linking purpose, so that I am telling you about the data mining in brief. Then these are the goals of data mining. First is prediction, second identification, third classification, and the last is optimization. Prediction means what? Prediction determines how certain attributes will behave in the future, right? So for example, how much sales volume a store will generate in a given period. And the identification is what? Identify patterns in data, like newly wed couples tend to spend more money buying furnitures. Okay, so in terms of classification, it is a partition data into classes. Like customers can be classified into different categories with different behavior in shopping. And the optimization, optimize the use of limited resources such as time, space, money or materials. For example, how to best use advertising to maximize profits, sales. Okay. Now what is data warehouse? Data warehouse is basically the collection of data from various heterogeneous sources, and it is the main component of the business intelligence system, where analysis and management of data are done, which is further used to improve decision making. Okay, and it involves the process of extraction, loading and transformation for providing the data for analysis, and this is also used to perform queries on a large amount of data, and it uses data from various relational databases and application log files, right? So in short, you can say data comes from heterogeneous sources, and that filtered data will store in a warehouse, and that warehouse we call it as a data warehouse. I have already discussed this data warehouse topic in my previous sessions, so go through that video. Okay. Now these are the goals of data warehouse. First is speed up reporting, reduce reporting load on transactional systems, make institutional data more user friendly and accessible, because that data is filtered data. Okay, so that's why it is user friendly and accessible, and integrate data from different source systems, enable point in time analysis and trending over time. This is all about the goals of data mining and data warehousing, and this is a question for the practice. What is data mining, and write its goals. Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.